In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to get lots of Temu credit, which you can buy on Temu. And this is literally the best way to make money or just like buy stuff from Temu. So first thing you want to do is just go to you, and once you're here, you can see all these status like of your credit balance, coupons, reviews, messages, and orders. And on at the bottom or at the middle of the screen, you can see history, win reward, addresses, or following. What you want to do is just click win reward. Once you're here, make sure you click on farmland. It is literally the simplest thing ever. Once you're here, click X. And as you can see, it's going to pop up like a mini game. And basically what it's going to make you do is just invite friends. Like that's literally it. I can't stress enough how easy this is. So once you do, it's just click this water plant. And basically it waters the plant, which adds up and you can buy more stuff. And as you can see, I'm literally 80%. Actually, I'm like 20% there. So all you have to do is just click get water and just invite your friends or family, and you literally get free stuff and free credits on Temu.